In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MoneyGram debit card declined. So the first thing you need to do is to double check your debit card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address to make sure everything matches your bank records. Next, confirm that your card has enough balance and is enabled for online and international transactions. Since MoneyGram is considered as international transfer service. If the problem continues, try restarting the MoneyGram app, clearing the app cache, or using the Money website or the MoneyGram website instead. You can also contact your bank to ask if the transaction was blocked for security reasons and request them to allow MoneyGram payments. And lastly, make sure your MoneyGram account is fully verified and updated. So that's it.